Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making a chili tomato pasta. In a pot on high heat, add your water, salt and oil and bring to the boil. Then add in your pasta, mix through slightly and allow it to boil for 12 to 15 minutes on high heat till the pasta is al dente, and that is firm but not smushy. Strain your pasta, add it back to your pot and then mix through some butter or oil just to prevent the pasta from sticking to each other while you make the sauce. In a separate pot, add your butter and oil and heat till the butter is melted. Add in your onion and fry on high till the onions have turned a golden brown color. Then you can add in your chilies and garlic and mix it through well. Followed by your tomatoes. And finally some salt and pepper for seasoning. Mix it through, allow this to cook on medium-high till the tomatoes have completely softened and the mixture has started to catch to the bottom of the pot. Add in your pasta and mix your sauce through well. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy!